Hello everyone, my name is Francesca Grippa and I'm the lead instructor for this capstone course. As lead instructor, my role is to provide consistency and high quality across all sections. In this course, you will study the process of executing a competitive business strategy using case studies from a variety of industries. You will also have the opportunity to apply analytical frameworks and models to identify the firm's competitive position and core competencies. You will have the chance to use industry analysis frameworks to explain why in some industries the competition is more intense and profitability is lower than in other industries. You will also apply competitors' analysis models to predict the moves of rivals and segment an industry based on the relative attractiveness of different segments. As part of the course, you will participate in a total enterprise simulation called Globus. In Globus, you will work in team and will manage a virtual company competing in the global marketplace. Globus is an online PC-based exercise where you run together with your teammates a digital camera company in competition against companies run by your classmates. A little bit more about Globus. Globus is a simulation tool that will push you into an active role, managerial role, where you are totally responsible for assessing the market's conditions, planning how to respond to the actions of competitors, shaping the mission, vision, and strategy of your company. I hope you enjoy this learning experience, and please feel free to contact me anytime. Good luck.